Hello friends in the share market SMS. Today we will talk of MACD. Friends, first of all is I must tell you this is one indicator where all the operators in the share market all over the world cannot ignore this MACD. One of the finest indicator for giving excellent buy and sell signals. Let's check friends what is MACD. MACD is a trend indicator. Trend indicator means that when the market goes up, momentum is up, it works. When the momentum is down, it works. Flat market, it does not work. What is the formula of MACD? MACD is 12-day EMA of a security minus 26 days EMA of a security. That means if the green one is the 12 EMA and this black is 26 EMA, these values, this value minus this value, this value minus this value, this value minus this value, they are in numerals. These numerals, when they are plotted on this chart, MACD chart, it forms the blue line. And 9-day EMA of this blue line is your signal line. Friends, you don't have to calculate any of these. They are already in the software. You just have to put MACD indicator and everything will be in place. So I have told you it is a trending indicator, works when it goes up and it works when it comes down, and it gives accurate buy and sell signals which no one gives. And then friends, with what MACD works with, which indicator is the best? The best indicator for MACD friends is moving average of 12 and 15 in the swing trading. Intraday trading, this is not recommended because it is a lagging indicator. For intraday, you have to have the volatility indicators. Okay? So, I am saying, once again repeating that MACD works only in the uptrend or in the downtrend, and the best moving average suited for this is moving average of 10 and 15, which we give, which we will subsequently see with the reality check also. Friends, I want to tell you is that have you subscribed to my video right now? Share market SMS does not give you lectures. Share market SMS gives you education to an extent that is required to be profit in the market, number one. Share market SMS gives you Sunday calls on which 2 hot stocks are given every Sunday. Share market SMS gives you strategies to win the profits. I am not into the teaching business. My focus is only on the profit. And friends, last but not the least, share market SMS gives free online education in technical analysis and fundamental analysis in English and in Hindi. Please check my playlist, you will find them all. Now let's go and check the playlist.
So yes friend, now we see the moving average. We'll do a reality check. ये जो मेरे पास साइट है, this site actually which I have is of charting.com. It is a free site from National Stock Exchange, and this chart is of Asian Paints. So we were talking of friends MACD. So MACD I have already put here. You can see this is MACD, and as I have said friends, is MACD is a trending indicator. That means it works when there is a trend. This is a trend, it is working. This is a trend, it is working. And this is a trend and it is working. It does not work friends when the trend is flat. Why? Because it is a trending indicator. And at the same time you will find when the trend is down, like for example I will show you here, when the trend is down then also it works well. Means either it is down or it is up, MACD will work. So friends, then I said what is MACD? The formula of MACD is EMA of 12 and minus EMA of 26. Friends, this is already calculated, by the computers, by the software. This blue line actually is the for this Asian Paint, when we say 26 EMA, 12 EMA minus 26 EMA, when it is plotted on the graph, this is the blue line. Can you see this blue line? This is already on the software. And then this signal line, which is actually this pink line, This is 9-day EMA of the MACD. So both these actually you don't have to calculate, both these are available on the software itself. Fine. Now as I said that MACD, how it works. Friends, you can see here there is a cross. At the cross you have to buy, and what is the price you are getting? You are getting this price, which is say roughly, let me just check what is the price. If I have to check the price, so corresponding to this, now it is the blue line is the MACD is going up, so it is in the uptrend. Fine. And the price you find somewhere it is 1610. Fine. And at the same time, friends, when you say that this actually is closed, the crossover is here, the price actually is 1775. So roughly about 125 rupees actually you have got in this deal. And if you had 20 stocks with you, then maybe about 2500 rupees or something like that you will get for 10. That means on investment of 16,000 rupees in just 20 days time, friends, you will get roughly about say 2500, which is roughly about 5%. Is excellent one. Excellent means excellent. So similarly you can see you can buy here, it is showing a cross here, you can buy here, and you can see the cross down, you can sell here. Again you will get the difference between this and this price you will get. Again this is falling down, you can see this is falling down, and this also is falling. You see, can you see this falling down? This is from the cross, it is no from it has gone up this, and this is flat market, and flat market actually it does not. This is also you see, whenever this MACD line is uppish, this MACD line is actually what is it is uppish. Fine. This is actually is flattish, start is flat. So this market actually doesn't work. So when can you see the way this blue line is up? Fine. So the price also is going up. The more is the blue line, the inclination is upside, the more will be the price. So what I was telling, at crossover, at this crossover you buy, and when the next crossover you comes you sell. At this crossover, the crossover has come here, so the selling point is here and the buying point was here. So this is the flat market, nothing works. And similarly here it is buy and here it is sell. It is a very, very standard thing, and it is this actually matches. Here I have put the moving averages of, you can just check, friends, the moving averages which I have put is here of 10 and 15, which is actually more suitable for MACD, and crosses actually almost match. So you should always put this 10 and 15 and everything will be fine. Then friends, we see the two things actually I just want to explain that what is this green. Friends, this green actually is known as histogram. When this green, the moment this green is up, there will be a cross and you can accordingly buy. You can see here the first, and the reading is here. So when the moment it gives a cross, you can give a buy signal, and then at the top also you will find the matching prices. So at the cross, this histogram is 0. Similarly at the top of it also it is 0, because next one coming is down the line, down the 0 line. Friends, this actually middle one is a 0 line, and it fluctuates between some people sometimes it is on bigger charts it is +5 and -5. Here it is -1 and here it is +1. You can find sometimes +2, -2, +4, -4. That doesn't make a difference. Here the only reading here is the cross to cross. Lower cross you buy, upper cross you sell. And if the market is flat, say you can see here there is no angle actually coming along, or the more it is vertical slope is up, more money actually you will make. Friends, as far as the divergence is concerned, divergence is very rare, and unfortunately I have not been able to find the divergence. Divergence means when the market is going down. No, here it is, here I have just found it here. You can see the divergence very clearly here between the two successive slopes. The market is actually coming down, and here actually the market is showing up. Whenever there is a divergence showing that the market is going down, so it shows that the market forthcoming days the market will be down, and subsequently market can always go up as it has shown here. So divergence means what? This is going up. This is between. It is between two successive these turfs. It is showing a decline and it is showing up. If it is showing a decline, it shows that market will go down, and you can see the market came down. So friends, this is actually what I want to say you. At the same time, friends, now once again I am appealing you to please subscribe to my channel. This is the only channel which gives you a reality check like I am giving here on the real charts. Then at the same time, fundamental analysis, technical analysis only in one channel, and that is short spinning money strategies. So be with me. Thank you very much. Remain with me and earn money. Thank you very much, friends. Thanks a lot.